Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Windows 11 taskbar refuses to disappear when you are in the full screen mode, you are not alone. Whether you are watching videos, playing games, or using an app that should hide the taskbar, this issue can be rather frustrating. But don't worry, I'll walk you through some quick and effective fixes to get your taskbar working as expected. That's it, let's get started. So first off, I will recommend you to enable the auto hide taskbar on your PC. Ensure that the auto hide feature for the taskbar is active on your Windows device. To do so, you just have to right click on the taskbar and select the taskbar settings in the menu. After that, you have to scroll down a bit and click taskbar behaviors. Then you have to check the box for automatically hide the taskbar. And then you have to close the settings and restart your PC. After that, you have to play a video in the full screen mode to see whether or not the taskbar disappears when switching to the full screen mode. Next up, I will recommend you to update the display drivers on your PC. Make sure that the outdated drivers are not impacting the performance of the Windows 11 taskbar. To do so, you have to click on the Start menu and then search for the Device Manager and launch it. Then you have to locate the display adapter section and expand it. After that, you have to right click on your graphics driver and select the update driver option in the menu. And then you have to select search automatically for drivers and update your driver by following the official instructions. And after that, you have to restart your Windows device, and once your device has rebooted, check whether or not you have gotten the better of the problem. And finally, I would recommend you to update your PC because I suspect that a software bug is causing the problem and preventing your Windows 11 taskbar from functioning properly. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your PC, and then you have to hit the Windows Update tab located in the left sidebar. After that, you have to click on Check for Updates, and then you have to proceed to install the latest update, and that's about it. So, these are the best tips and tricks to fix Windows 11 taskbar not disappearing in the full screen problem. Hopefully, you have managed to get the better of the issue. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.